Here we go, guys. I got more great apps that you can use from your mobile device to put money in your pocket as quick as today. Let's get started. What's good, guys? My name is Tay Wilkins and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, guys, like I said, I've got 3 great apps that you can use to put money in your pocket starting today. Now, as usual, I got the disclaimer that while these apps can be used to make money and that they are legit, these apps aren't going to make you rich overnight. At best, these apps are great for putting a little extra cash in your pocket if you need gas, if you got to pay bills, or maybe you just want a little bit of extra snack money or going out money. These apps are great for that. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump into these apps that you can use right now to start putting money in your pocket. And the first one I have is Dash. Alright, Dash is one of those cashback apps where essentially you earn money for spending through them. Alright, the way these type of apps work is that big brands and companies pay companies like Dash to send them traffic. Okay, so Dash will get you to buy through them. Okay, and when they get paid, they give you a little bit of kickback. They pay you a little bit of money for shopping through them. That's basically how it works. Okay, so they're partnered up with all sorts of companies like Walmart and Target and Acme, different types of hotel establishment, vacation spots, you name it. They have a lot of companies under their belt, restaurants, all sorts of stuff. It's a great app. It's a legit app. They've been around for a long time. Recently, they got a big investment into their company. Okay, so they're legit and they're going to be around for a long time. And you figure if you're already out here spending money doing your grocery shopping or clothes shopping, or if you're shopping for a vacation or travel, or you're out trying to look for a restaurant to eat at, why not go through them and make some of that money back? Okay, but not only that, Dash also has an affiliate program. And the way this affiliate program works is that once you sign up to Dash, you'll get an affiliate link. And when you share this out with your friends and family, and they start shopping with Dash, you get money for that as well. They'll get money for signing up. You'll get money for signing up. And you'll also get money whenever they shop using the app. Okay, so it's a win-win no matter how you slice it. Okay, and you don't just have to share with friends and family. You can make content like this, YouTube or Instagram or whatever platform you want to use to share your link. And when people use that affiliate link, they'll get paid and you'll get paid as well. As a matter of fact, I'll leave my Dash affiliate link down in the description below so that you can check it out for yourself. Once you sign up for Dash and you add some payment information, I'll make a little bit of cash and you'll make a little bit of cash as well, just so you'll get an idea of how it works. And then you can go ahead and you can do the same thing with other people and start putting money in your pocket. Okay, again, it's a win-win for everybody involved. All right, so the next app that I have is Moby. Moby is a mystery shopping type of app where you go out and you find different establishments and they'll task you with finding certain products, okay, or services, and they'll want to know how it's being displayed or how it's placed in the store. Okay, they'll give you a survey or they'll give you some questions, and when you fill these questions out and also provide like a picture or a video, essentially they'll pay you for this. And the way this works is that brands and companies want to know how their products are being displayed and placed in retail establishments. They pay companies like Moby. Moby then employs you to go ahead and find these products, and when you find them and you share your experience, they pay you. They take that information, they give it back to the brand and the company, and that company pays them. Okay, so I mean, it's pretty beneficial for everybody that's involved. But Moby is different. They actually do the point system. I'm not really a fan of the point system, but Moby is legit. You can use it to actually make some money. Okay, you'll earn these points. These points can be converted to PayPal cash or gift cards. You know the whole thing. All right. Again, I'm not a fan, but it is legit. Okay, and this one is available worldwide. Okay, which is probably why they use the point system, because Not everybody can use PayPal, so you know you got the gift cards and other methods of payment that you can receive your cash from. The last app that I have for you in today's list is Google Opinion Rewards. Now this has been around forever, but not a lot of people know that this app exists. Okay, you guys know as well as I do that Google is an information company. This is what their whole business model revolves around: collecting data and selling that data to big companies. Okay, now I know a lot of people aren't fans of these types, you know, the surveys and opinions and stuff like that, but this is Google. Google's one of the biggest, if not the biggest, tech companies in the world. You know it's legit. It's coming straight from Google, you know, so why not jump on it? You can find this in the App Store. Like I said, they'll notify you when they got surveys and opinions available for you, questions or whatever, and you just fill it out and you get paid. It's as simple as that. Okay, so these are the apps that I have for you today, guys. As usual, you know what I say. Do one of them, or you can do all three of them, and I like to mix and match them so that you're not getting bored. So that's all I got, guys, for this video. If you found it useful, please hit that like button and share this out. You never know, there's somebody who could use this information and they could use a little bit extra cash to put in their pocket. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you're actually going to use one or all of these. Okay, and finally, if you want a way to make passive, life-changing income, check out the link down in the description below. This is my #1 recommendation. This is what I use to put money in my pocket month over month, and again, this is life-changing income. Alright, so definitely check that out. But that's all I got, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.